Montreal is the largest city in the province of Quebec, Canada, and the second largest city in Canada overall, following Toronto. The city is situated on the island of Montreal, which is located at the confluence of the St. Lawrence and Ottawa rivers. Montreal was founded in 1642 as Ville Marie by French settlers and was named after Mount Royal, the triple-peaked hill in the heart of the city. The city has a rich history influenced by both French and English cultures, which is reflected in its bilingual nature, with French and English being the primary languages spoken. Montreal is home to one of the largest French-speaking populations in the world outside of France, with around 60% of its residents speaking French as their first language. The Montreal International Jazz Festival, held annually in July, is the largest jazz festival in the world, attracting millions of visitors each year. The city hosted the 1976 Summer Olympics, which were notable for being the first Olympics to not turn a profit, mainly due to the extensive costs incurred in building the facilities. Montreal is known for its diverse neighborhoods, each with its own unique character, such as the historic Old Montreal, the artistic Plateau Mont Royal, and the multicultural Mile End. The Montreal Metro, inaugurated in 1966, is one of the most efficient and heavily used subway systems in North America, consisting of 4 lines and over 68 stations. Mount Royal Park, designed by Frederick Law Olmsted, the same landscape architect who designed Central Park in New York City, offers stunning views of the city skyline and is a popular recreational area. Montreal's cuisine is famous for its bagels, which are smaller, denser, and sweeter than their New York counterparts and are boiled in honey-sweetened water before baking. The city is also known for its smoked meat sandwiches, particularly from establishments like Schwartz's Deli, which has been serving customers since 1928. Montreal is home to the largest underground city in the world, known as the Réseau or La Ville Souterraine, which includes shopping malls, hotels, and metro stations connected by a network of tunnels. The city hosts the Festival International de Jazz de Montréal, which features thousands of artists from over 30 countries each year. Montreal has a vibrant art scene, with numerous museums, galleries, and theaters, including the Museum of Fine Arts, the Contemporary Art Museum, and the Place d'Arts Performing Arts Complex. The city is known for its numerous festivals, celebrating everything from comedy to film, food, and even electronic music, including the Just for Laughs Festival and the Montreal World Film Festival. Montreal's architecture is a blend of historic and modern styles, with notable structures like the Notre Dame Basilica, the Olympic Stadium, and the Habitat 67 housing complex. The city has a strong student presence, with several major universities, including McGill University and the Université de Montréal, contributing to its youthful and dynamic atmosphere. Montreal is often referred to as the City of Saints due to the number of saints' names found in its streets, neighborhoods, and landmarks. The city is famous for its vibrant nightlife, with countless bars, clubs, and music venues, especially in areas like the Village and St. Laurent Boulevard. Montreal's climate features cold, snowy winters and warm, humid summers, making it a city of stark seasonal contrasts. The city has a rich sporting culture, being home to the Montreal Canadiens, one of the oldest and most successful teams in the National Hockey League, NHL. Montreal is recognized for its strong commitment to sustainability, with various initiatives aimed at reducing carbon emissions and promoting green transportation. The city is a hub for technology and innovation, with a growing presence of tech startups and research institutions, particularly in artificial intelligence and video game development. Montreal is famous for its vibrant street art scene, with murals and graffiti adorning many buildings, particularly in neighborhoods like the Plateau Montreal. The city has a strong tradition of film and cinema, hosting the Montreal International Black Film Festival and being a popular location for filming both Canadian and international movies. The Montreal Botanical Garden is one of the largest and most important botanical gardens in the world, featuring over 22,000 species of plants and a variety of themed gardens. The city is also known for its beautiful parks and green spaces, including Parc Jean-Drapeau, which is located on 2 islands in the St. Lawrence River. Montreal is famous for its diverse religious architecture, including the iconic St. Joseph's Oratory, which is one of the largest churches in the world. The city has a vibrant LGBTQ+ community and hosts one of the largest Pride festivals in North America, attracting participants from around the globe. Montreal has a unique feature known as the Tam Tams, a weekly drum circle that takes place in Mount Royal Park, where people gather to dance, play music, and socialize. The city is known for its thriving fashion scene, hosting Montreal Fashion Week and a variety of local designers and boutiques. Montreal's economy is diverse, with strong sectors in aerospace, technology, finance, and the arts, contributing to its status as a major economic center. The city has a unique tradition known as poutine, a dish made of fries topped with cheese curds and gravy, which originated in Quebec and is a local favorite. The Montreal Science Centre features interactive exhibits and an IMAX theatre, making it a popular destination for families and science enthusiasts. The city has a rich music history, producing famous artists like Leonard Cohen, Arcade Fire, and Celine Dion. Montreal's streets are adorned with numerous public art installations, sculptures, and monuments, enhancing the city's cultural landscape. The city is known for its multicultural population, with significant communities of Italian, Portuguese, Haitian, and Middle Eastern descent, contributing to its rich cultural tapestry. Montreal's public transportation system includes buses, metro lines, and commuter trains, making it easy to navigate the city without a car. The city is home to several major sports events, including the Formula E electric car race and the Montreal Grand Prix, attracting motorsport fans from around the world.